Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will learn how to create and import a CSV file. I'll be making a CSV file from Google Excel directly online because it is easier step. So let us go for this Google Excel. Now let me go for this. Okay, so this is my Excel. Now suppose I want to create a CSV file. Let me write something over here like roll number, then name, marks. So suppose now I've created this Excel sheet. Now let me just rename it. Students. Okay, so I've renamed this Excel sheet. Now I'm going to save it in the form of a CSV file. So let me go for the file option. Then you can see here the download option is over here. So for this, I'll go with this comma separated values CSV file option. And when I do that, so I get this option. So basically, wherever you have to download, you just have to see it. So here I'm going to download this thing in the desktop. So in the desktop, currently I'm having a folder named project file, Python project. So you can just make a separate file and you can save it in that. So on the desktop, I've made a Python project file. I'm clicking on it. I'm going to open it. And in this Python project file, I'm going to save this students sheet one. Okay, let me just name it as students and I'm going to save it. So now I've saved my CSV file. Now let us import it in our Spyder. So here is my Spyder app. Now we'll import a particular CSV file. So first I'm going to write import pandas as PD. Okay. Then df is equal to pd dot read CSV. Okay, so df is equal to pd dot read CSV like how I did over here. And then over here in this bracket, I'm going to give the location of that particular CSV file. So for that, how you're going to do is just go for a desktop. Like I had saved this, like let me open this PC. Now you have to search for that particular CSV file wherever you saved it. So I saved it in this desktop part. Here is my Python project file where I saved it. So if you see here, this one, the students CSV was the one which we created just now. So I have to take its location. So I'm just going to click on it once. And then you can see this bar. I'm going to click on it once. So I have got this location. Now you just have to copy it. Okay. Now I've copied that. And now I'm going to paste it over here. Okay. So now I'm going to paste it over here. Now basically you can see that we have got the location over here, the desktop, and then we have got the name of the file, but we haven't got the name of the particular CSV. So we have to put the name of the CSV also, like the name of our CSV was students. Okay. So in order to avoid any mistakes, you just click on that and then go for a right click, go for the properties option. You will get the name. So just copy paste it. Okay, since my name is short, but if you have a longer name, there won't be any mistakes. So I've just pasted it over here. Now I'm going to do dot CSV. And as you can see, we have only one slashes over here. So whenever you do a copy paste, you'll get only one slash. But for the CSV one, we have to have two slashes over here. So I'm going to put one more slashes in this one. Okay, so everywhere you have got to keep two slashes, otherwise the syntax will go wrong. And don't forget to put .csv at the end. Okay, so now I've given the command. Now I'm going to print. Okay, so this is my code. Now I'm just going to print it. Yes, so as you can see, this is my output. I got my code, that is my CSV file over here. The one which I had saved, I got it over here. So that is how you basically create a CSV file. You can create it online. You can create it in your normal Excel sheets also. But I found it that creating it online is much easier so that you can convert it into the CSV file. This was my Excel sheet which I converted, and then I made it into the CSV file and I've imported it over here. So that is how you do it. So if you have any doubts, you can let me know in the comment section below. So thank you for watching and meet you in my next video.